Buddhāvataṃsaka, the Flower Ornament Sutra, Book 5, The Flower Bank World. Then, to reiterate this point, universally good, imbued with spiritual power from the Buddha, surveyed the 10 directions and said, "Every place in this ocean of lands is embellished with myriad jewels, their flames leaping into the sky, spreading like clouds, their light penetrating, always covering all. Jewels spew clouds without end, wherein appear images of all Buddhas. Their mystic powers and metamorphoses never stop, and all enlightening beings come and gather. All the jewels broadcast Buddha's voice, the sound exquisite, inconceivable. What Vairochana did in the past is always heard and seen within these jewels. The universal illuminators with pure auras all show their forms reflected in the ornaments. Transforming, distributing their bodies, surrounded by congregations, they reach throughout all oceans of lands. Buddha's independent deeds of spiritual powers all pervade the lands of the 10 directions. Thereby are the oceans of lands purely adorned. All of this is seen within the jewels. The mystic displays in the 10 directions are all like images in a mirror. They just come from the spiritual willpower exercised by the Buddha in the past. If any can practice the deeds of universal goodness and enter the enlightening being's ocean of supreme knowledge, they can, in a single atom, manifest their bodies everywhere and purify many lands. For inconceivable billions of eons, having associated with all the Buddhas, everything they practice can be shown in a single instant. The Buddha's lands are like space, peerless, unborn, without any signs. To aid living beings, they beautify and purify lands, dwelling therein by the power of their original vows." Then Universally Good went on to say, "What worlds are there herein? I'll tell you. In these seas of fragrant waters, numerous as atoms in unspeakably many Buddha fields, rest an equal number of world systems.